Imagine running your service business without constant overwhelm, where inquiries are answered, marketing flows smoothly, and your time feels protected. That's the quiet power of using AI the right way. It's not complicated, and it's not just for tech companies. In this video, I'll show you 7 practical ways to use AI to make your service business smarter, faster, and more efficient. Let's dive in. Every service business answers the same questions over and over: pricing, availability, process, location. What used to require endless calls and emails can now be handled instantly. AI chat systems can respond to inquiries on your website or social media at any hour. But this isn't just about automation. It's about momentum. When a potential client is interested, speed matters. If someone lands on your page at 11 p.m. and gets immediate answers instead of waiting until morning, you've already increased your chances of winning their trust. Think of AI as a receptionist who never sleeps. It doesn't replace your personality. It protects your time while making sure no opportunity slips through the cracks. Marketing a service business is often the hardest part. You know you're good at what you do, but explaining it consistently is exhausting. AI can help you clarify your message. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can use AI to generate blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, and even video scripts. But the real power is not speed, it's refinement. You can test different angles, tones, and offers without spending hours rewriting everything from scratch. AI becomes your brainstorming partner. It helps you translate your expertise into content that resonates. Over time, this consistency builds authority, and authority builds demand. In many service businesses, the proposal process feels repetitive. You rewrite similar documents, explain the same services, and customize minor details for each client. AI can transform this. By using AI to draft proposals, contracts, and onboarding emails, you reduce the time spent on paperwork while keeping a professional tone. More importantly, you can tailor each proposal quickly to match a client's specific needs. It's like having a skilled writer sitting beside you, helping you articulate your value clearly and confidently. Instead of rushing through proposals, you can focus on strategy, the part that truly differentiates you. AI isn't just for communication. It can help you think better. Imagine running a consulting business and feeding past client data into an AI system to uncover patterns, or using AI tools to analyze customer feedback and highlight recurring complaints or compliments. Patterns that might take weeks to notice suddenly become clear in minutes. This clarity helps you refine your services. You can improve processes, adjust pricing, and enhance client experience based on real insights rather than guesses. In a competitive market, those small refinements create a massive edge. Time is the most valuable asset in a service business. Yet it's often the least protected. AI-powered scheduling tools can automatically book appointments, send reminders, and even adjust calendars based on availability. Instead of going back and forth with clients about meeting times, the system handles it instantly. But the deeper value is mental freedom. When your schedule runs smoothly, your mind is clearer. And when your mind is clearer, your performance improves. AI doesn't just save minutes, it preserves focus. As your service business grows, you may hire assistants, contractors, or full-time employees. Training takes time and mistakes can be costly. AI can become a private training resource. You can create internal knowledge bases powered by AI that answer team questions, summarize company policies, or explain standard procedures. New team members learn faster. Experienced ones find answers without interrupting you. It's like building a digital brain for your company, one that keeps knowledge organized and accessible. This creates consistency, and consistency builds reputation. Perhaps the most exciting use of AI is expansion. Many service businesses limit themselves because of capacity. There are only so many hours in a day. AI allows you to package parts of your expertise into scalable formats. You might create guides, templates, or mini courses that complement your core service. You can offer faster turnaround times because some tasks are automated. You can serve more clients without sacrificing quality. This isn't about replacing human connection. It's about amplifying it. AI handles the repetitive layers so you can focus on the transformative ones. AI will not replace service businesses, but service businesses that use AI will outperform those that don't. The question isn't whether you should use it. The question is how soon you'll start. Begin small. Automate one process. Improve one system. Let momentum build from there. If this video gave you new clarity and ideas, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical insights on building smarter businesses. The future belongs to those who adapt early, and that future is already here. What will you do with it?